Hey guys, Richard here with Downgrid Survival. You know, I'm going for a record because this is the third video for today and it's not even 9 a.m. So I was out running an errand and I got to thinking that maybe I should put a video out about this. Last night I was, sitting at home on the couch, browsing the internet, doing, whatever I was doing at the time. And I happened to glance up and see on my security monitor. And first of all, my security system for around my home is connected to my television, and we don't watch television at the house, right? I mean, it's a rare thing for us to turn on the television. So I usually just keep it turned on to the security cameras, just so I can kind of keep an eye on what's going on. And I'm really thankful I've got that, because I've seen some pretty weird things going on, not just around my house, but in my neighborhood. So it's been kind of nice having a security system and just having it displayed on the television screen pretty much all the time. But I'm sitting there, and I look up and I see this movement out in the driveway, and I stop to pay more attention to what's going on, and I saw a rat. Now, I live in a neighborhood that isn't really conducive to rats, and never seen one before, and all of a sudden there's this rat out there in the driveway running around. Kept running in and under around my truck, and I thought, oh, what the heck, and it had been raining pretty hard, so wherever he was, or got him stirred up, I guess. But the point is, it got me thinking, after SHTF, things are going to start to deteriorate, right? Really. I mean, outside, inside, your home is not used to the heat because we're have it conditioned all the time, and you're going to be warm in the summertime, so you're going to have your doors and your windows open to try to get some airflow. And so think about that, because you want to be prepared to deal with things like mosquitoes and things like rats and rodents that may be getting into your house. Some of you may be fighting that already. But for those of you who maybe live in a neighborhood that doesn't have a rat problem or a rodent problem, think about this, because it might be something you want to add to your preps, so that in the event that things go south, or when they go south, you'll be ready to deal with those types of issues. So I was just at the home center and picked up a rat trap to stick outside to hopefully catch this this critter and dispose of him before he makes his way into my garage or into my home, and then from there it's the fight is on, right? So I just want to throw that out there to make you think about it, because it's probably one of those preps that most people haven't really stopped to think about. I'm going to put some links in the description below for what I chose, and feel free to check that out. And hey, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.